Hi, my name is John Stanwyck, and I'm a prospective undergraduate applicant to Columbia University for the class of 2025. Over the past year, I have founded and developed for my nonprofit, Charitas. Charitas aims to enable all computers around the world to donate their excess computing power to charity. It does this by using a dynamically switching cryptocurrency mining algorithm to mine the most efficient cryptocurrency possible on any hardware. If you are unfamiliar, cryptocurrency mining is essentially the process of solving very complex math equations in order to get a reward. You can think of this as something as a tax on any transaction done by the cryptocurrency that you are mining. For example, to transfer money from one Bitcoin wallet to another, you have to pay a fee, which gets paid out to the miners of the cryptocurrency. Charitas works by first benchmarking your devices and then storing which cryptocurrency is the most efficient for it to mine. It then constantly mines cryptocurrency using excess resources from your computer. So, say that you're doing something like writing a college essay. Well, obviously, you're not using all the resources on your computer. For the sake of argument, let's say that using Word or Excel only takes up 20% of your total computing power. Well, 80% of your computer is just sitting idle. Charitas aims to allocate that excess computer usage to mining cryptocurrency, which it then directly donates to charity. Right now, Charitas is set to donate to trees.org or the Trees for the Future Foundation. This allows Charitas to be a carbon negative in all but the most extreme cases. Here on the About page of the website, we have an FAQ which explains how Charitas works, what mining cryptocurrency is, and the blockchain, in addition to the bios of the current members of the project, which is me and my technical co-founder, Camp Steiner, who graduated from the Auburn High School class of 2020. Camp handles the front end, which means that he develops and helps me design the website and GUI for the program. Here on the impact page, you can see the current metrics based around our donations, such as what we currently hold in our pools, what we currently hold in our wallet, and the money that we have already donated to the the Trees for the Future Foundation. Under the download page, you can choose to download Charitas in your operating system of choice. Charitas is open source, which means that anybody can contribute to the code base or check the code. I chose to do this for a number of reasons. The most prominent being, well, the program is for charity. If you have an improvement or an oversight that I missed in the development of the program, then I gladly welcome your contributions. Now, becoming open source doesn't mean that Charitas is insecure by any means. The program has been vetted by Sectigo, which is an enterprise authority that confirms that the program is safe on any Windows computer. Charitas is code signed by Sectigo on every release, and the certificate gets double checked every time you download it. Here we are in the Charitas GUI. As you can see, the logo is spinning and illuminated with the Charitas gradient blue, which means that the miners are active and mining even now as I record this video. You can start or stop mining for charity with just one click, and now they have stopped. Under the Settings tab, you can see all of the configurable options for Charitas, which include indicating whether you want your CPU or GPU to mine cryptocurrency, and as well as whether you want Charitas to run on startup without your input. This is great if you are sometimes forgetful and may forget to open Charitas whenever you first open your computer. In addition here, you can see a slider with CPU usage. This indicates whether you want Charitas to have a hard limit on the amount of resources that it can take. And under here is a drop down for the CPU priority selector. A higher priority means that Charitas will allocate more resources to itself, and a lower priority is the inverse of that. It will be more liberal on the resources that it allows other programs to use. Under the Help tab, you can start an email with help@charitas.co, which is the help hotline for Charitas. We also welcome any suggestions or changes be sent to this email address, and we've actually gotten a few that we have implemented. And I think that that concludes my maker portfolio. So my name has been John Stanwyck, and it has been a great privilege to be able to apply to Columbia's undergraduate class of 2025, and I thank you for your time and consideration.